Is this your girlfriend?
No. No, here's a new car. So what we got here is a starter.
Okay.
And after 160,000 miles, almost 300,000 kilometers, doesn't look so bad. The original Acura starter. What's the...
You already saw the drive.
Wow. So the drive was a little weak. And not in bad shape for 163,000 miles. The brushes aren't worn. Contacts. There's where the washer jumps across, brings the current from the battery to the brushes. And that's the worst spot, plus the drive was weak. The drive is right here. A little weak. Not bad. And I got a whole box of drives here. I wonder where they came from, huh? Made in... who knows? One-way clutch. Transmission, automatic transmissions work the same way, and starter drives. And it spins too easily one direction, or spins the other way. Nice new bushing, tight on the shaft. Nope. Amazingly good condition for so many miles. 163, almost 300,000 kilometers. We're at a big starter shop. Sometimes you just get lucky and you know people, and all they rebuild here is starters, alternators, and calipers. No more water pumps. Got some big stuff here. Production stuff. All kinds of goodies. Production, starter, caliper, alternator shop. There's a Honda starter right here. Honda Acura. Some of them are pitted worse than others. Oh yeah, that one's bad. Arcing every time you turn the key, especially when the battery's weak. You got a weak battery, just beats the crap out of all the contacts. Always best to have a nice, thick, rich battery. It goes right back together, just like magic. It's a beautiful thing. Beautiful. It's artistry. Little springs. Beautiful. Bella. And the gear reduction goes back. A little bit of grease. Saw blade. Tiny snap ring, baby size. What a thin snap ring. Inspect the springs.
mal de gencives, ne dites pas de mal des autres.
Oops. Telling the maestro what to do. Could get in trouble. Clean off the contacts. Interesting. Wow. Wonder where these are made. China? Taiwan? Ding Tang Dong? Korea, Vietnam, Korea.
Come on, questo è China.
Yeah. Junk. Chazarai. All the little parts. Yep. They make everything in China. Everything. Cars, shoes, airbags, fenders, stereos. One-way PAL clip. It's the one-way PAL clip. Beautiful. Not in bad shape. Just like a GM solenoid from the 60s. Same thing. The disc and the half bolt contact. Same idea. Same idea. Just miniaturized heavy-duty magnets. It's just funny that he's got the Honda Acura parts right here. Same drive. Just rebuilding them right now. But the one that I put on was nasty. The doctor put on. Wow. A real production shop. Real production shop. Starters, alternators, calipers. Beautiful. Wow. Not his first rodeo. Pop the brushes back up against the armature, the slip ring. Release the brushes. Dust cap. And field. Blow dry it. And back it goes together. The original starter. Bit of grease in the end bushing. Honey. Put the bolts back in. That's it. And we'll bench test it in a minute. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Numero uno. Another video. It's a beautiful thing. And I'm just about out of video time. I've got 12 more seconds left. All done.